Let's revise exponential laws. We're going to start with the product law. The product law says that when you're multiplying powers with the same base, we add the exponents. Like this is a power, this is another power. Base here is x, base is x. So we can easily add the exponents. Right? We can apply the product law in these three. The first one. So if you're simplifying this, just say a to the power 2 times a to the power 5 is equal to a to the power 2 plus 5. When I'm multiplying powers with the same base, add the exponents. So it becomes a to the power 7. Then b, you can start by multiplying the coefficients. Becomes 2 times 3. And then you get 6. And we have x squared times x to the power 6. So with powers with the same base here, we add the exponents 2 plus 6. It becomes x to the power 2 plus 6, meaning that our answer is 6x to the power 8. And then C, we have 3, 3, and 9. Can we change this 9 to 3 squared? But it's fine. We can say 3 times 3 times 9, which is 81. So we have 81. And then this power and this power have the same base, so we can add the exponents here. It becomes 2 plus 3. So meaning that we have 81 and b to the power 5.